Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF into Word document without losing the document quality. And there's two ways we can do this. And before we start the first way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Let's dive into the first way. Open your PDF document and right click on it, and you can see an option Open With, and click on that arrow mark and you can see option called Microsoft Word. Click on that and your PDF document will open in Microsoft Word, and you can edit that according to your preference, and you can check the formatting, and the formatting also as is in the PDF. So once you're happy with it, you can save, clicking on the save mark, and it will save as a Word document. Second method will be open your browser and go to the smallpdf.com, and if you don't have a link, I have given the link in the description. Once the website loaded, you can select on the PDF to Word. Once it's loaded, you can just drag and drop your PDF document, and once it's uploaded here, you can simply click on the convert, and it's ready to download, and click on the download, and you can see it's downloaded, and let's open it and see. So this whole method also work, and there's no damage for format, and you can even edit according to your preference. Once you do the changes, you can just click on the save icon and save it on your local computer. And we are ending our video from here. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up for my video. Thank you.